Every night, before the world goes silent, before your mind sinks into sleep, there is a moment most people never notice. A moment that quietly decides who you become tomorrow. A moment that can either trap you in the same life or open the door to a new one. This moment holds a single habit, a habit that ancient philosophers, undefeated warriors, and the most focused minds in history practiced every night. A habit that resets your mind, heals your stress, strengthens your discipline, and transforms your entire future. Most people will live their whole lives without ever discovering it. But you're here, which means you are not like most people. Tonight, you're going to learn the one-night habit that changes everything. Let's begin. Section 1. The world feeds you noise at the end of the day. Your mind is exhausted not because you worked hard, but because you absorbed too much noise. Notifications, arguments, expectations, comparisons, fear, stress, doubt, people, pulling you in every direction. The modern world destroys your clarity, one distraction at a time. You try to sleep, but your mind keeps replaying conversations, mistakes, embarrassing moments, future worries, things you wish you had said, things you should have done differently. This is why most people wake up tired, stressed, and unfocused. They never learned how to end their day. They fall asleep in chaos, and they wake up in chaos. But the Stoics, they understood something deeper. They believed that a powerful life begins with a powerful night. Because nighttime is not just rest. It is the training ground of the mind. And that's where this habit begins. Section 2. The Stoic approach to night. Marcus Aurelius, Emperor of Rome, wrote every night in silence. Not for glory, not for an audience, but to strengthen his mind. Seneca did the same. Before sleep, he examined his thoughts like a scientist studying patterns. Epictetus taught his students to audit every day before resting. Why? Because nighttime is the only moment when the world stops trying to shape you, and you get to shape yourself. This habit is not about becoming productive. It's about becoming powerful, becoming aligned, becoming in control of your inner world. Now let me reveal the full habit, step by step. Step 1. 5 minutes of stillness. Your night begins with silence. Not music, not background noise, not scrolling, not a podcast. Silence. At first, it feels strange, almost uncomfortable, because you finally hear everything inside you. The fear, the guilt, the thoughts you've been avoiding all day. But this silence is where clarity lives. When you sit in silence for just 5 minutes, something powerful happens. Your mind stops reacting and starts observing. You shift from chaos to control. From emotion to awareness. This silence is the doorway to everything else. It resets your nervous system. It breaks the cycle of constant stimulation. It forces your brain to stand face to face with itself. Most people avoid silence because they fear what they might hear. But strong minds walk into silence because they know truth is waiting there. And truth is the first step toward transformation. Step 2. The Stoic daily review. Once your mind becomes still, you begin the review. The same practice used by emperors and philosophers for centuries. Ask yourself 3 simple but powerful questions. 1. What did I do well today? Your brain needs to acknowledge progress, even small victories. Self-respect grows from honesty. To what did I struggle with? Not to judge yourself, but to understand yourself. Did anger control you today? Did fear stop you? Did laziness win? Did you avoid something important? Awareness removes the power of weakness. 3. What can I do better tomorrow? Not a plan, not a long list, just one improvement. Because greatness is built one day at a time. This Stoic review is like holding a mirror to your soul. You stop living unconsciously. You stop repeating mistakes. You stop being controlled by your emotions. When you analyze your day, you become the author of your life, not the passenger. Step 3. The question that transforms your future. This is the core of the habit. This is the part that changes everything, every night. Ask this one question. If tomorrow were my last chance to change my life, what would I do differently? This question kills excuses. It destroys procrastination. It activates urgency and clarity. Suddenly you see the truth. You've been postponing your potential. You've been delaying your greatness. You've been giving your time to things that don't matter. This question forces you to step out of autopilot. Your brain becomes razor sharp. Tomorrow stops being just another day and becomes an opportunity. When you live with intention, you stop drifting. You start rising. Step 4. Release what you cannot control. This is where emotional freedom begins. Every night, let go of what does not belong to you. The things people said, the way someone treated you, the mistakes you made, the frustrations, the fears about the future, the things that didn't go your way, the outcomes you tried to control. Say it to yourself. This is outside my control. I release it. Letting go is not weakness. It is strength. It is the ability to protect your peace. You cannot change the past. You cannot control other people. You cannot control the world. But you can control your mind. And the mind becomes unstoppable when it carries no unnecessary weight. This step is emotional cleansing. It removes the mental poison that destroys your mood, your confidence, your sleep. Your next morning. When you learn to release, you become untouchable. Step 5. Set one intention for tomorrow and 5 goals. Not a long list, just one powerful intention. One thing that, if completed tomorrow, truly moves your life forward. This intention acts like a compass. It gives your next day direction, clarity, and purpose. When you wake up, your mind already knows its mission. You don't waste energy. You don't waste time. You don't drift. One intention every night becomes massive transformation over months and years. This is how disciplined people win. Section 6. Why this habit works. Every part of this habit rewires a different part of your brain. Stillness reduces overstimulation and restores focus. Daily review creates awareness and eliminates unconscious behavior. The life-changing question activates urgency and kills procrastination. Releasing control reduces stress and builds emotional power. 1. Intention creates clarity and builds discipline. This is not a motivational trick. It is neuroscience plus philosophy plus self-mastery. When practiced consistently, it creates better sleep, higher focus, stronger discipline, emotional control, Clarity of purpose, inner peace, mental resilience is why it works. This is why it transforms lives. Section 7. What your nights will feel like after 30 days. After 1 week, you will feel calmer. After 2 weeks, your thoughts will be clearer. After 3 weeks, you will feel mentally stronger. After 1 month, your nights will no longer be chaotic. Your mornings will no longer be heavy. Your mind will no longer be scattered. You will wake up each day with clarity. You will know what to do. You will know who you are becoming. You will feel in control not of life, but of yourself. This is the beginning of a new you. Final message: 1 to 2 minutes. Your life doesn't change when you learn something new. It changes when you do something consistently. And this night habit is the foundation of a strong mind, a peaceful heart, and a disciplined life. Most people won't do it. They will keep living the same days with the same thoughts and the same results. But you're here because you're ready to rise. Tonight, begin the habit and watch how everything in your life quietly, powerfully begins to change.